Hello, welcome to another episode of Tech Talk. Today is a pretty exciting day because we have a brand new set of girls joining the Django Girls community. If you don't know what Django Girls is, it's a community of girls that program. They code, they make cool softwares, or just building this ecosystem where females can also have a safe space to get into technology. So welcome, thank you for joining us in this episode. My name is Marsha Liz and I'm your host for this episode. So we have new members joining Django Girls, and very quickly, introduce yourself to the audience and let's hear from you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Josephine Anne-Marie Maguna. I'm a software engineering student. I'm in my second year at Limkokwing University.
Hello, my name is Sarah P. Okike, and I'm also in software engineering, and I'm in year 2, semester 3.
My name is Kiara Savage. I'm doing a Bachelor's of Information Technology. I'm in year 3, semester 5.
My name is Adiza Karim. I am a second year student at the Limkokwing University, and I'm studying software engineering with multimedia.
I am Aisha Jallo. I am currently in semester 3 studying Business Information Technology.
I'm Safia Tujalo and I'm studying Business Information Technology and I'm in semester 3.
Ooh, okay, so we've got a group of diverse ladies, all young, beautiful ladies. So very quickly, what would you say are your career or tech interests when it comes to programming and coding? What would you say?
As I said before, I'm studying Business Information Technology. So at first, I was mostly interested in the business aspect and not much in technology. I just wanted to do technology so as not to miss out on the tech stuff. But as I started programming, we started doing programming with Mr. Lee. It seemed easier, not as I was thinking. I thought it would be very difficult. That's why now I'm not very interested in the programming aspect, and I want to be a full stack developer actually.
Ooh, we got her,
to be
guys.
able to create apps and also to solve problems with the use of coding and all.
Yeah. Okay, that's really interesting. We're glad we got you to the tech space, Up next, we have this gorgeous lady. What are your tech interests, or what career path do you aspire to go into?
Okay, for me, for my area of interest, I want to be a full stack developer, though it is difficult because most people are afraid to be a full stack developer.
Yeah.
They think that it's difficult to be a full stack developer because you can know both the back end and the front end, which is difficult. But anything you set your mind to, you can accomplish it.
Oh, I love that. I love that. It's beautiful when people challenge themselves with situations like this. You want to do back end and front end and just manage all of it. And I mean, it puts more money into your pocket. So if it were easy, everybody would do it. Okay, up next, I have this beautiful lady in the glasses. What are your interests?
Well, initially I wanted to be a graphic designer and I was more focusing on front end.
Right.
Then I did my research and obviously money, very important. And I am someone who does not like to limit myself in anything I do. So full stack is what I'm trying to get into, and I'm trying to build up the passion for it because obviously passion is needed in every single thing that you want to take up as a career.
True. It's actually truly so fascinating to see women interested in these spaces, and it's beautiful. It means we're going and we've come a long way. We have a good set of full stack developers. Hopefully there are other interests. I don't know. We'll hear from them shortly. Okay, please tell me, what do you think your interests are, or what career pathwise here?
Well, I really like data analysis. I really enjoy doing things resulting data research, those type of stuff. So I would like to be a data analyst with a little knowledge in web programming, maybe both front end and back end. I haven't decided yet.
Oh shit, the money people.
Oh, yeah.
Fun fact, data is the highest commodity in this day and age. Your data is very important. So this lady here is going to be cashing out big as a data analyst. Up next, tell me, what do you think your career path is, or what are your interests?
Well, originally I wanted to be a back-end developer, but later on I got introduced to the front-end programming languages, and then I started appreciating it.
Right.
And then I thought to myself that I don't want any sort of limitation where I'll have to call someone else to help me with front-end. So I think I'm intending to become a full stack developer. Yeah.
That's really interesting. Really. Tell me, where are your interests? Where do they lie?
Well, for me, I actually like designing, so I have interest in UI designing, UX designing, and also I like having the full package. You get both front end, back end. I like doing it all together. So I have interest in full stack developing and UI and UX design as well.
Ooh, same actually. We have so many full stack developers and the data analysts, and with technology, there's just so much that you could do. And did you know that you could use Java in both front end and back end? I mean, so that's an interesting language to learn, yeah? JavaScript actually. Okay, so I have another interesting question for you. What do you think is your biggest motivation for joining a community like this and learning program in general?
Well, for me, I like being part of something special. So when I started attending Limkokwing at my very first year, Mr. Lee was like, at the end of the year, I'll select like the best students to join the Django Girls. And I was like so excited. I was like, Mom, I want to join this. Mom, I'm going to study. Mom, I'm going to do, when I was so excited. And I wanted to learn Django because it's a framework you can use for web development and other things. So I love doing something like beneficial and very, how should I say, popular right now. And impactful as well. So that's why I wanted to learn Django.
Okay, I think that's a great motivation actually. Django is a framework that was actually used to build YouTube, which you're watching our video on right now. Okay, on to the next person. The boot camp must have been so rigid. I've been part of like a few boot camps and I know how that feels. How did you cope with like the struggles, and how do you feel you navigated, the difficult parts?
Well, I navigated through the difficult parts through having an impactful lecturer. Actually, he actually allows us to go at our own pace. Allows us, gives us a lot of assignments. Loads of assignments, by the way. Loads of assignments helps. That helps us to really dive in, research more. And I think him being a good lecturer has helped us to really put in the work, and also the assignments help us to also put in the work, and also the community. When you're struggling, they help you in whatever you're going through. So I would say, yes, the challenges were there, but I was able to overcome them.
Yes, step one, have a good loads of assignments. Okay, Kiara, what are your goals? So let's say a year from now, you look back and you say, I did this and I joined this community of programmers and this is what I achieved. What is your goal?
So some of the goals that I would like to achieve is, my dad gave me this assignment to create an e-commerce platform for him so that he can like sell products there that he's shipping from the States to Sierra Leone. So that's one of my goals. So I'm currently using Django to do that. That's one of my goals for next year.
Okay. That's actually really beautiful to be able to use your skills to support the people around you. This is something you do. So get started. Join Limkokwing University. Get your future career. What were your first impressions of Django Girls as a community before you joined, and then after you joined the community? What are your impressions?
Well, my first impressions were when our lecturer actually introduced Django. I was like, oh, this is for smart girls. I don't think I'll be up to that. Even though I'm a smart girl, but I thought there was something extra needed. So after actually getting an opportunity to join, and I saw all the club really wants and needed was consistency and just practice, always be active with whatever you're given, and that was actually really good to see because it was a task at first, but as you go along, you get used to it and you love it as well.
I'll ask you about community. What do you feel the community is like? Are you all friends, and do you feel support maybe when you're going through rough patches, maybe that stubborn code that just isn't working right? How do you feel the community feels like and in supporting you?
The community have been positive so far because sometimes you get stuck in certain area of coding, and you can say, Sarah, can you aid me? And she will come up and guide you. The community have been user friendly, which I like about the community, and everyone is friendly, which is good, and it's full of people with ambitions, so that is great.
What excites you the most about coding, programming, and this community and ecosystem? Like, what's one thing you're so excited about?
By writing a few lines of code, I can make that thought and idea into reality, and can bring my ideas to life and solve problems that are affecting us, especially in Sierra Leone.
We have a lot of problems.
So what excites me is the fact that the thoughts will not only remain in my mind, that I'll actually get to use them and to see that what I've been thinking of can actually come to life. And it will also make me feel like, yes, I'm actually impacting the community in a way. I'm not just sitting down and daydreaming. I can actually make something work from what I think.
Yeah, being able to use technology as a tool. Because you can think of something, you can just lay down on your bed and you're like, I want to make a Barbie game. I want to make a software that could help people who are sick. Which, by the way, we as Django Girls have made Health Predict. It's a platform where you can go on there, just give your symptoms and say, hey, I am sneezing, I have a bit of a fever, and this is how I feel. And the AI and our platform will help you, come up with some certain diagnosis and refer you to a doctor or an institution best suited for how you're feeling. Isn't that great? But yeah, I feel like that's the ultimate best thing with technology, to be able to think of it here, abstract, and just put it out in the world, and it's so beautiful. Well, I've enjoyed chatting with you ladies today, and it's been such a phenomenal roller coaster. I remember being in your position like probably a year ago and just starting out with technology. Unlike you, I wasn't really in love, but over time, I have loved the journey. And I really hope and wish you the very best, and that you enjoy this, and a year from now, maybe two, you're able to see tangible growth. Yeah, and make cool softwares, I guess. Right, this is Tech Talk. You've been watching us, and would love to have you come by Limkokwing University. We have an innovation hub equipped with just about anything you need to get started on your tech journey. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye. Welcome to the Limkokwing Innovation Hub, where creativity meets technology. At the Limkokwing Innovation Hub, we provide a collaborative platform between government, academia, and industry to support the innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem in Sierra Leone. Our state-of-the-art facilities are designed to inspire creativity and encourage out-of-the-box thinking. As part of our corporate innovation services, we work with our in-house experts to offer solutions in software development, audio-visual production, product design and development, research and development, branding and packaging design, architectural design and visualization, business development and consulting. We welcome partnerships with like-minded organizations to collaborate on designing and implementing projects that would promote the socio-economic landscape of Sierra Leone.
The Innovation Hub has been a game changer for me. It has given me the opportunity to partake in several pitch night competitions and develop the entrepreneurship skills I need to succeed in the real world.
For further inquiries, contact us on 076-838-435 or visit our office at the Limkokwing University, number 51 Regent Road, Hill Station, Freetown. Join the Limkokwing Innovation Hub community today and turn your ideas into reality. Limkokwing Innovation Hub,